In very rare cases, the pickup handle of the bag is broken, like the one on this bag. We will show you how to remove the broken handle and attach a new one. First, open your bag. Open the zip of the bag from the inside and locate the handle attachment on the top or on the side of the bag. Now, with the help of a screwdriver, carefully open all 4 screws to detach the broken handle. There will be 2 on each side on a socket holder. Once the handle is removed, take the new handle sent by Nasher Miles. Place the new handle in the same place from the outside. Start fixing the handle with the help of screws from the inside. Fixing the first screw could be a little difficult, but once this is done, you can fix the other screws hassle-free. Please make sure to tighten all the screws properly. Your trolley bag is ready.